All right, guys, real talk. Are robots actually taking over? Or is it just a hype? You taking over or what? Should I start charging you rent? Have you seen this, guys? Robots dancing in sync with humans at a festival with precise movements and smooth transitions. It's mind-blowing. And robot dogs delivering items? What if I told you this isn't fiction or some distant future? It's happening right now, and it's real. Robotics has reached a global scale. They're already among us. They can walk, flip, recharge, and even recover after falling. Meet the G1 from Unitree. It's blowing minds across all platforms. Unitree offers a wide variety of robots, from mechanical dogs to fully functional humanoids capable of replacing humans in many industries. G1 is equipped with robotic arms that can grab tools or open bottles, and it can see and hear the world through depth cameras, LiDAR, and microphone arrays. Thanks to an integrated AI system, the G1 can analyze situations and adapt on its own. Engineers brutally train the G1, pushing it, knocking it down, and watching it get up again and again. These aren't scripted demos, they're stress tests for real-world resilience. These humanoid robots can do more than household tasks. They can compete. Just watch two robots boxing in the ring, moving smoothly with precision and technique. Or playing soccer, it's like they were made for it. Could robot sports be just around the corner? Despite its agility and complexity, the Unitree G1 weighs only 35 kilograms, which is a true breakthrough in robotics. The G1 isn't a toy, it's a glimpse into functional humanoid robotics you can actually buy. But don't just take my word for it. Watch the real tests, study the specs, and see for yourself. You can even buy the G1 on AliExpress. Where else is that possible? But here's something else worth your attention. Chinese company Tech has developed a humanoid robot called Walker S2, which can autonomously swap its own battery packs without any human assistance. This feature allows it to operate continuously 24/7. Just imagine what a non-stop robot could accomplish. It's a true revolution. But like with any emerging technology, there are bugs and glitches. Just look at how hilariously one humanoid runs away from its owner with no chance of being caught, or crashes into stationary objects looking completely helpless. It's funny, but it doesn't change the fact that these robots have reached an incredible level of detail and capability. From a distance, you might not even be able to tell if it's a person or a humanoid robot standing in front of you. If you're as amazed as I am, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on cutting-edge tech. Let me know in the comments which video blew your mind the most. See you next time on the channel.